Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Kushi.D from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My USN is 1VE20IS014. Today's topic is Introduction to JavaScript. So let's see the introduction to JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a client-side scripting language. A scripting language is a lightweight programming language. JavaScript is programming code that can be inserted into HTML pages. JavaScript inserted into HTML pages can be executed by all modern web browsers. JavaScript can enhance the dynamics and interactive features of your page by allowing you to perform calculations, check forms, write interactive games, add special effects, customize graphics, selections, create security passwords, and more. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is used in website development to such things as check or modify the contents of forms, change images, open new windows and write dynamic page content to make HTML by CSS. This allows you to make parts of your web pages appear or disappear or move around on the pages. So let us see the differences between JavaScript versus Java. So in the JavaScript, we have interpreted, not compiled by client. In Java, we have compiled on server before execution on client. Whereas in JavaScript, it is object-based. Code uses built-in extensible objects but no classes or inheritance. In Java, we have object-oriented. Applets consist of object classes with inheritance. In JavaScript, we have code integrated with and embedded in HTML. In Java, we have applets distinct from HTML, accessed from HTML pages. In JavaScript, it is variable data types not declared, that is loose typing. Variable data types must be declared, that is strong typing. In JavaScript, it is secure, cannot write to hard disk, whereas in Java, it's secure, cannot write to hard disk. So let us move on to the next slide. In this slide, we'll be seeing what is ECMA script. The responsibility for the development of a scripting standard has been transferred to an international body called the European Computer Manufacturers Association. So the full form of ECMA is European Computer Manufacturers Association, which in short is called as ECMA. The standard developed by the ECMA is called ECMA script, though browsers still refer to it as JavaScript. The latest version is ECMA 2.6.2, which is supported by the major browsers. Writing a JavaScript program. The web browser runs a JavaScript program when the web page is first loaded or in response to an event. JavaScript programs can either be placed directly into the HTML file or they can be saved in external files. Placing a program in an external file allows you to hide the program code from the user. Source code placed directly in the HTML file can be viewed by anyone. Writing a JavaScript program. A JavaScript program can be placed anywhere within an HTML file. Many programmers favor placing their programs between head tag in order to separate the programming code from the web content and layout. Some programmers prefer to place the programmer within the body tag of the web page at the location where the program output is generated and displayed. So here we come to know that there are two ways where we can actually place the JavaScript, that is in the head tag and in the body tag. Moving on to the next slide, we have how to use or implement JavaScript. We can implement JavaScript in our web pages by following three ways. So they are nothing but inside the head tag, within the body tag, and in an external file with extension .js. Since it is JavaScript, so we are using it as .js, like how in HTML we use it as .html. Here we are using it as .js. So the first type here is implementing JavaScript, that is inside the head tag. So this is the basic syntax of it, and we could see that this is the head tag what we have. This is the head tag and this is the closing, starting of the head tag and closing of the head tag. So in that we are implementing the JavaScript. So this is the first type. The second type what we have is within the body tag. So this is the script of it. So this is the starting of the body tag and this is the closing of the body tag. So in between that we are implementing the JavaScript. This is the second type. Moving on to the third type, which is nothing but external link. So syntax is as follows. So the syntax here is as such, but since we are going for the external link, after the HTML is closed, we are implementing our JavaScript, that is after the HTML is closed. So this is the third type. So we have seen all the three types, that is within the head tag, body tag and external link. Moving on to the next slide, we have JavaScript syntax issues. JavaScript commands and names are case sensitive. So it is nothing but these things are case sensitive. So JavaScript command lines end with a semicolon to separate it from the next command line in the program. In some situations, the semicolon is optional. Semicolons are useful to make your code easier to follow and interpret. Displaying some text on web page. You can write on page by using following statement of JavaScript. Document.write within the inverted comma we can write message. Document.write ln, and within the inverted comma we can write message. Example, document.write, and this can be printed. Next we have JavaScript display possibilities. JavaScript does not have any built-in print or display functions. JavaScript can display data in different ways, writing into an alert box using window.alert. So using window.alert, writing into the HTML output using window.write. This is for output and this is for alert box. Next we have writing into an HTML element using inner element, writing into browser console, that is using console.log function. Okay. So next we have window.alert. So this is the small snippet for it, and this is how the output looks. This is how it looks. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. And this is another snippet. Working with variables and data. A variable is a named element in a program that stores information. Where name, that is where is nothing but variable. The following restrictions apply to variable names. The first character must be either a letter or an underscore. So it should be a letter or an underscore. The remaining characters can be letters, numbers or underscore characters. Variable names cannot contain spaces. Variable names are case sensitive. As previous slide also contained, JavaScript is a case sensitive. So here also we have given it as case sensitive. Next, types of variables. So JavaScript support 4 different types of variables. That is, numeric variables can be a number such as 13, 22.5 or minus 3.14159. So which means that it supports both integer, that is 13 is an integer, 22.5 is a floating type. Okay, so next we have is string. A variable is in any group of characters such as hello or happy holidays. So this is all like um, string character, right? Next, boolean means true or false. Variables are variables that accept one of two values, either true or false. See, it cannot be true and false, it can be true or false, any one of it only it can contain. Next, it has null variables, is a variable that has no value. Null is nothing but empty, right? It will not contain anything, that is no value. Next, declaring or creating a variable. Before you can use a variable in your program, you need to declare a variable using var command or by assigning the variable value. As we saw in the previous slide, for a simple snippet, we had used this command. Any of the following command is a legitimate way of creating a variable named month, where month equal to December, where month equal to December. So this is an example for it. Moving on to the next slide, we have operators in JavaScript. Following operators are used in JavaScript. So we use arithmetic operators and comparison operators. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe, comment if in case you liked my video. Thank you.